Hey everybody again, just thought of a couple of things that could definitely use a video done on. Bring up Gmax here real quick. Basically how to turn a tile is one I've thought of. Something that I didn't know how to do back in the day. A few months ago. I've only been messing with Gmax probably for the last 6 months or so. So let's see. Let's just use any tile. It doesn't matter. This one here, for example. Import it. Okay. Now sometimes you might run across a situation where you need to turn a tile. If you look, when you load up a tile, and you look down here, your base has a pointer on it. Right down here. And that pointer shows it's pointing this direction. Okay. Now the tile is facing basically to the left. But say something happens and you're working with the tile set and you need it turned. Basically, all you really have to do is just take this tile, move this down here. You can move these off out of your way. I've got a second screen that I just moved them over to. But anyhow, you just right click, rotate, and you want to grab the top one, the Z-axis. Make sure you got the Z-axis. And then you're going to look up here in this window, or at least I do. Okay? And then you can rotate it. So say I just needed a quarter turn to the left. I just need a quarter turn to the left. Once I have that quarter turn, then I make sure the lines are lined up. Bam. Now if you look, they're straight. They're not messed up any which way on the outer lines. And you can see the side view now, and it, of course, turned it up here as well. But that is a quarter turn. If you need a full turn, then you go, a little bit more, another turn there, until you keep messing with it until you get the lines completely straight. Now they're straight again. Okay. You don't want them to be cockeyed like that. You can see the ripples in the line. You do not want that. Whoops. Back. Let's straighten that out. Now, once that's said and done, now you need to take and highlight everything. You need to unlink everything. Okay. Once you've unlinked everything, then you will take and relink, say this here, the pointer. I'll relink it to the base, and then I'm going to take this base, click here. I want to zoom in so I get a good look at that base. I'm going to take this base, I'm going to rotate it back so the pointer's facing to the direction it was facing to begin with. Make sure my lines are lined up. Everything looks good. Pointer's on par with the black line. Everything looks lined up. Looks good. Okay. Now, once you've done that, now you want to click the link key or icon again, and then you can highlight everything, and then grab it and link it to the base. Now, once it's relinked to the base, then you're good to go ahead and export it now. You can export it, and now it's actually facing the opposite direction of what it was. But if you just run across a situation where you're working with a tile set, and it's when you're forming your groups or whatever, and it's not facing the way that you need it to, that's how you can change the way the tile faces. Anyhow, hope this helps some of you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.